I've done NCM the last 3 years.
That's it?
I like Kentucky. The people are really sweet. But I think I'm cursed because it always rains.
Let's see. 7:48 a.m. update. We'll leave at 7. A couple of our guys were late. Obviously, traffic was uncontrollable and something can't be avoided. But I think we're rolling out now. We've gassed up a few of the cars. It's 11:09 Chicago time right now. Been a couple hours on the drive. We just stopped for some food. Rich, how you feeling, dog?
Solid, fueled up, ready for a nap.
Well, so far, Louisville report, real beautiful town. A lot of cool skyscrapers, and the Colonel's presence is heavy, seriously heavy.
What's up, everybody? So we are getting the cars ready to go for our first day at NCM. Right now, as every first event starts, our first day of an event, we go ahead and line up all these cars and get them fueled, ready to go. Still got some seats that need to be covered and checklists that need to be maintained, but in the process, we're gonna make it all happen just for you guys. See you in a bit.
I don't do much with cameras. Chris, do me a favor, hold this for me. Good luck, take over.
Dude, you don't know how to vlog? I know how to vlog, alright? So, what's up everyone? This is Adam Morosky here. It's Xtreme Xperience 2018. We are at National Corvette Museum. We got a bunch of beautiful Corvettes behind me.
Stubing! It's a drug smuggling pocket right there in the steering wheel, perfect.
Dude, guys, peak Stu's new setup. This is insane. Pretty sick. We're about to see Stu sprint right now. The siesta. Sweet deal, nice bed. The actual stabbing cabin right over here. Bigger than an airplane. Right? That's the real impressive thing here. I couldn't like make this up if I tried. This is sick, dude. Got about an hour till we got to be off track. Setup's coming along right now. Obviously had some issues to deal with positioning our trailer and little details like that, and put a little bit of a halt on being able to set up. So we've got the whole team working on it right now, all hands on deck, and we trying our best to get the hell out of here in the next hour. So we'll see you guys then.
Morning, guys. It's a nice muggy and warm Friday morning here at NCM. The team just getting acclimated with the track. We're just shaking off our morning dew and getting ready for the day, setting everything up. And I'm gonna head up to the tower right now and get a time lapse up here.
Get up in the club and get all them angles.
Just like Drake says, you know?
So it's day one at NCM. We are actually going through the middle of a corporate group right now that Reed set up, of course. Juan, how was that picture? Awesome. Joe Blow, how's your day going, man?
Awesome.
Yeah?
Having a great day.
Seb, how's your day going?
It's doing great.
Yeah?
Amazing.
Feels good to be back in the car? Damien, welcome back. How was it?
It was awesome, man. Great.
What did you drive?
I drove the GTB. Oh, dude, insane. So it was one of those things where it kind of got away from me a couple times, but it was awesome, man.
God's hand, right?
Yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Hey everybody, get ready for something fun here with Xtreme Xperience, a fantastic company. This is my 5th event with them. They just do an awesome job. We got great people, fantastic cars, fantastic instructors, great crowd, just a ton of fun. Come out and join us.
We've got our buddy Joshua ready for something fun on Instagram. He's here driving with us today. He brought his dad out, his family. We're celebrating Father's Day, so we're gonna find out what he had going on in the Ferrari 458. He's just getting done with his drive. We're gonna see what's going on.
All right, so I just drove the Ferrari 458. This is my 2nd time at NCM driving the Ferrari 458, and every time I'm done doing it, I'm just like, I need to come back and do it again.
Yeah.
That was great.
That was pretty rad.
Really, yeah, I can really feel that all-wheel drive in the corners. I passed 2 people too.
Ooh.
Yeah, me too. Woo!
So we've been pretty lucky to beat some of the bad weather here, but it does look like it's raining a little bit. Hopefully what happens is this just blows on by and we can just keep on running.
All right, we are coming to you in a moment of distress here. We just got a notification that there's lightning in the area within 10 miles, which means they're shutting down. So right now we're gonna get everybody in the classroom. We're gonna get everybody at least in a safe place and undercover so that there's no lightning danger or risk. Front of house and customer service is gonna continue to switch everybody out and get them rescheduled for the rest of the day or weekend or whatever, and just handle whatever customers need to be handled and sort of put the fire out. So we are back on this nice Saturday morning. Rain's not going on, as you can see, nice and dry. And everything was supposed to be totally boned, but now things are not boned. Right, Brandon?
Things are perfect.
For now, I'm gonna go ahead and throw my hands on the deck and help the team continue to set up for the day so we can get our 9 o'clock drives on time. And see you in a little bit.
Good news is that we found out that it's probably not gonna rain as much as we thought, which is great. So, should have a full day. Saturday is always our busiest, and we've already got some drivers here. Right there. It's roughly just a little past 8, so time to get rolling.
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe below. We'll see you on the next lap.